There are a whole lot of trading terminologies out there and new traders get confused. So in this video, I'm going to explain all of these trading terminologies for you. First is long and short. This actually means the trade direction. Long means buy or bullish, that is trade going up, and short means sell or bearish, meaning a particular currency is going down. Leverage means how much value of a currency you can trade relative to your account size. So you can have $100 in your trading account, but your broker gives you the leverage to trade worth $1,000. So this is what leverage means. Pip is the point in percentage. It measures the change in value in a currency pair. Major pairs mostly have 4 decimal numbers, then the yen pairs have 2 decimal numbers. Stop loss is an order to limit potential losses if the market moves against you. Take profit is a target point at which you want to liquidate your position in profit automatically when the market price hits it. Lot size means the trade size. There are 4 major types of lot size. One is the standard lot, which means your profit and loss per pip is $10. Mini lots, your profits and loss per pip is $1. Micro lots, your profit and loss per pip is 10 cents. Nano lots, your profit per loss is 0.01 cents. Loss size is actually a double-edged sword. The higher your loss size, the bigger your profit and also the bigger your losses. The smaller your loss size, the smaller your profit and also the smaller your losses. Let's talk other types. Now there is market execution. You buy at the current ask price and you also sell at the current bid price. Then the stop order is that you buy above the market price and you also sell below the current market price. Limit orders are you buying below the current market price or selling above the current market price. This is exactly how it looks like. For buy stop, you place your order above price and price keeps going up. For sell stop, your order is placed below price and price keeps going down. Then for buy limit, your order is placed above price, then price goes up. For sell limit, your order placed above price and price then goes down, just the way it's been illustrated here.